With increasing regulations related to worker safety, social responsibility, and the environment, it is imperative for mining companies to adopt integrated governance, quality, and health and safety management solutions in order to strengthen business operations and enhance their reputation and credibility. The SoftExpert solution enables mining and metals companies to map, analyze, and continuously improve the efficiency of operations by integrating a single platform of different management frameworks. SoftExpert Document automates document management and ensures information security, complying with the regulatory requirements of regulatory bodies. Different categories can be created to manage contracts with suppliers, work instructions, standard operating procedures, SOPs, internal policies, and many others. Make inquiries in a simple way. View the documents in the system itself. Manage different versions of a document, ensuring the updating and integrity of information. Revisions can be performed in accordance with the ISO 9000 process, based on the stages of draft, review, approval, and release, or through customized flows. The tool provides a centralized task manager, which can be used to control deadlines and perform activities such as approving or electronically signing normative documents. All document-related events can be tracked with audit trails, ensuring their traceability and compliance with regulatory requirements. SoftExpert Project improves project planning, approval, execution, and monitoring activities aimed at enhancing the effectiveness of innovation processes and the development of new products. Using a Gantt chart, the tool allows you to easily elaborate the project schedule, defining the activity's duration, sequence, relation of dependency, and responsibilities. Define different roadmaps for the approval of project planning. Monitor resource allocation and time tracking. Access and control financial results in real time. Monitor project indicators for costs and deadlines, among others. SoftExpert Asset improves the utilization of your organization's assets, vehicles, equipment, machines, and instruments while minimizing expenses. The tool assists in managing the entire asset inventory, describing them in a complete and dynamic manner. Control all movement for use, calibration, or maintenance. Monitor asset performance indicators. Equipment and instruments can be allocated visually, respecting availability and schedules. The tool makes information available in a variety of ways to ensure efficient monitoring and assertive decision-making. SoftExpert Process is the ideal tool to support the definition of the production chain. From the macro level to the operational, the tool allows you to model, approve, simulate, publish, and optimize processes according to BPM notation. The Process Modeler is simple and intuitive. It allows you to standardize workflows via elements that can be easily understood by everyone involved in the process. Publish the processes and share them with all your stakeholders. View all process-related items, such as inputs, outputs, indicators, and risks, among others. SoftExpert Risk is the ideal tool to assist organizations in the mining and metals sector in activities such as identification, risk assessment, and implementation of controls. Whether in the environment, health and safety, or operational management area, the solution allows management of the risks involving activities, materials, inputs, processes, and even projects. For significant risks, you can define controls and monitor their implementation, even when they involve different areas or suppliers. Visually identify risks at each stage of the production process. Monitor risks with the risk matrix, or using the various charts and diagrams available in the system. With SoftExpert Incident, companies in the mining and metals industry can simply process and reduce the time spent addressing non-conformities. Each type of occurrence can be addressed using different electronic forms. It is possible to handle nonconformities related to the raw material, suppliers, and installations, up to events related to security and the environment. Companies can prioritize the way they address nonconformities using customized criteria. You can define prioritization methods that may be quantitative, qualitative, or matrix, among others. To address occurrences, you can create a new action plan or use an existing action plan. The progress of the handling of the occurrence can be tracked visually using user-defined flows. The tool provides a control panel, which provides full visibility of the incident situation. The panel allows you to take actions, such as redefining deadlines or the substitution of the resource responsible for performing the activity. SoftExpert Waste assists in the monitoring of waste associated with an organization's processes, addressing aspects from generation, storage, and transportation to final disposal. Classify waste according to the nomenclature adopted by your organization. Control all waste transport documentation and invoice information such as quantity, carrier, destination costs, method, and dates. Monitor all legal licenses and their expiration dates. Generate different types of reports related to producer, residue, classification, movement, etc. With SoftExpert Performance, organizations can monitor everything from simple operational indicators to overall business performance. Business strategies can be communicated in a clear, simple, and objective manner, using the different maps modeled in the tool. Scorecards can be structured according to the needs of the organization, using elements such as forecasts, objectives, initiatives, indicators, and sub-indicators. The tool offers a wealth of detail for monitoring indicators. For each period, information such as targets, measurements, or percentages is presented. Other information can also be displayed by configuring the display profile. You can link comments or documents related to each period. In the case of failure to achieve the target, research events and action plans can be triggered. Targets and measurements can also be monitored using different graphic features. As we saw in the video, SoftExpert offers the mining and metals industry a complete and advanced software solution to promote excellence in management, business process improvement, regulatory compliance, and corporate governance. Besides the business components we saw in the video, the solution includes others such as audits, suppliers inspection, maintenance and calibration of equipment, and employee training. For more information, please visit our website at www.softexpert.com or contact us by email at sales@softexpert.com.